What on earth is tentpole programming? How on earth do you use that to gain more views and subscribers? Well, sit back and find out because we're starting right now. Hey everyone, what is up? This is Tim of the People's Bookkeeper, where we always hit the mark. Make your mark in business too and share it on YouTube. Do that by subscribing now and turning on the bell notification. So perhaps this is a term that you haven't heard before. I've found that it doesn't seem to be a common topic that a lot of people really talk about. But using this method to your advantage can be a great way to help you get views and grow your channel. It can give you some awesome bursts and spikes in your audience and channel growth. You see, tentpole programming is centered around creating content that has to do with a large-scale upcoming event or function. And that event for you is an amazing opportunity to create your content before the event occurs. A perfect example of this could be when you know that there's a large-scale piece of software coming out 3 months from now. And so what you do is create a series of videos that have to do with that upcoming launch of that piece of software. You can cover all kinds of different aspects of what that piece of software may do in creating your content for your audience. And what you're going to notice is as the launch date draws closer and closer to that event, you're going to start to see your views climb. This gives you an amazing opportunity to have maximum exposure for your content to be seen as that event gets closer. And what this does is create a look on a chart similar to a tent, hence the term tentpole programming. It's a very effective way to get lots of views on your content because if you beat the rush, you'll get the maximum exposure before others start coming in. All of those extra views will help you generate more watch time, more subscribers, and could really help your channel take off. I would highly encourage you to check out any upcoming major events within your niche or genre on YouTube. If you plan your content for it now, you'll be able to reap those rewards when the event occurs. And the beautiful thing is that any niche can do this because there are events in every single type of category that happen throughout the year. This means that even in a small niche, you can still use these events to your advantage to help you grow your channel. Now what you'll see is once the event occurs, you'll reach the maximum peak of your exposure and it starts to slowly tail off over time. But that's okay because you'll still be getting a number of decent views after this event has happened, and that's going to continue to still help you grow your channel. Now even though this is something that we should all be doing to constantly try to grow our channels, a lot of people don't realize how truly powerful this method actually is in helping you grow your channel. If you create a series, then you can make a playlist and link everything together. That helps because now your viewer is constantly clicking on the next video in the series, which creates that high session and watch time, which will be a benefit for you because the algorithm will really start to push you out to more people. Now don't get me wrong, if you didn't get your video done ahead of time, that's okay. You can still create content closer to the event or the day of the event and still get some of those views to help you grow your channel as well. But if you do plan ahead, then you'll get the most exposure and the maximum amount of benefits from doing that. It truly is an amazing way to meet a lot of new people and gain a lot of new subscribers. My question of the day for you is, what niche are you in and what type of events are you going to start looking for? Make sure that you answer and leave your comments and feedback below. Now, if you want to make your mark on YouTube, then check out these videos over here. They'll help you grow your channel. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Click my face and you'll do just that. I'll see you in the next video.